Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you. So what we've been working on is this absolutely stunning Audi RS3. It's actually a 2012 model. It's in immaculate condition. So what we've installed is a couple of gadgets and also an audio system. So in terms of the radio, we've replaced that. It had the Navigation Plus in it. We've replaced that with a Kenwood DMX 7017 DAB unit. K165s. We've got an amplifier, which is the Audison 4.9 bit, and then we've got the brand new, so this actually came into the UK today, which is the Audison Prima sub, which is the fully active sub. So it runs at an impedance of 0.16. So really proud to introduce that as well, which I'll show you in a second. We've also got a Cheetah 550, which is a speed camera detection device, and the DAB aerial, we've added that onto the roof, and also the roof has been done in carbon fibre effect as well. So what I'll be doing is talking you through a bit about how the installation took place, also a bit what the customer experience is with us, and then you can go from there. So what we've got is the brand new Audison sub being installed here. So this actually is one of the first to be installed in the UK. That's been done at our home at Cambridge Car Audio. So what we've got, this is the Audison AP-BX10AS. I'll be popping all the links below for all the products so you can check them out and see all the tech specs of them as well. Impedance wise, it runs at 0.16 ohms, so really low. You get an amazing amount of depth from it. Absolutely transforms this vehicle. Performs really well in this acoustic environment as well. So how we've installed this is basically it's all underneath a false floor, which is down here. So we've built a false floor and it's covered in leather as well. So that's basically hiding everything. So it's going to hide the amplifier and also the subwoofer. You get hardly any distortion with the way we've done things, and that's down to the installation completely. So these products are fabulous products, but they do need proper installation. So the way this product works basically is running fully active off its own internal amplifier that it has built into it. And we've also got the Audison 4.9 bit Pro, which has a bit processor in there as well. So it's a 4-channel amplifier with 9 channels of bit processing power. So what we've also managed to do is add in take one of the channels from the processor and put them into the sub, so we have complete control digitally from the whole amplifier. So as you can see here, the subwoofer is really neatly installed, and also it's on a leather board as well. So really neat. You can see all the cabling all being cloth taped wherever possible. So it looks really smart, but it's all hidden away underneath the false floor, so you don't take up any room whatsoever. Thank you very much for watching our short video. It's really been a pleasure to work on this fabulous vehicle and install such fabulous products. So thank you very much, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.
50 ways to play the game.